The idea that wolves howl at the moon is a total myth. Wolves don't care about the moon. They are howling to communicate with their pack. They howl to assemble the group for a hunt, signal their position, or warn other packs to stay away. And when they howl together, they rapidly change their pitch to make the pack sound larger than it really is to scare off enemies. It is all about strategy, not the lunar cycle. If you want to join our pack, howl at that like button and subscribe right now.